Hi there, and welcome back to the channel. Please like the video and subscribe, it helps us out a lot. So here we are with AB in Hounslow. It's a bit grim.
Car parking by the forensics. Yes, filthy, man. Back gate, I think. Double gates. Nice cake.
Thank you.
Let's have a look.
No, it's not for anyone's birthday, it's just a cake.
It says happy birthday on it.
I know, but it's just from the food bank.
So a thing about the food bank, this was 3 years ago. This country is fucked. I'm actually surprised that no one confronted him asking why he was filming. If I was in a position that I needed to use one, and I'm not saying that there is anything wrong with using one, quite the opposite, but I don't think I'd really like people filming me.
Back to the station.
Now here's some people who don't really like being filmed.
Any reason why you're filming?
Just filming.
Ah?
Sorry, who are you?
Is there any reason why you're taking pictures and filming the police station?
Yeah, just filming around, to be honest. Never came here before.
Okay, you can understand how that looks a bit, obviously, odd to me.
Odd?
Yeah.
There's a lot of things like that's odd. Parking like that.
Police car?
Your engine is running, that's odd.
Well, I've just got out, haven't I?
No, you shouldn't let it run like that.
Okay. Well, I will take your advice on board.
Okay.
You filming now, are you?
Don't think that's odd?
Are you filming now, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Are you filming now, are you? After I've realised that you've pointed out that I'm breaking the law,
Okay, that's cool. Alright.
Yeah, there's a lot of things that are odd, my friend.
That's what I was just asking. What's your name?
My name?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's fine, you don't have to tell me, you don't want to.
No, don't give my name.
As long as you can...
Oh, hang on. Look at that woman, she's going to drop. Yeah, but if she falls, that's going to be good viewing. Good footage.
What, you think someone falling out of the window?
Yeah, that lady, look. Oh, she didn't.
Please tell me to be nice.
Yeah, sorry. No, I saw that lady, I thought, just in case she falls, it would be funny to catch it.
I wouldn't, that would be fun.
Not off the window, like fall off the table.
Okay.
That's all it is. How can I help you?
I was literally just asking because in my point of view as a police officer,
Yeah.
you're obviously filming at the station, so I've obviously asked questions.
Okay, yeah, as I said, I'm just filming. Odd things that I can see, parks not parked properly, cars with engines running, police officers chewing gum when they're talking to members of the public, things like that.
It's nice to have fresh breath, isn't it?
No?
Nice to have fresh breath.
No, you're not supposed to chew gum, but it's quite rude,
Is it?
Yeah, it's you'll find it in your code of conduct, you're not supposed to do it.
I think
So, just things like that, odd things like that, just filming.
that's all right. Well, I'm going to ask you, I'm going to advise you, please.
I'll advise you. But AB again gets distracted. Very good technique, by the way, if you want to really annoy somebody.
Please don't, because
Hang on,
people
there's
know.
another lady that's about to fall.
No, she's opening the window,
She's gonna go.
or she's taking down Christmas
You
decorations.
see, Pakistan videos like it will be funny.
It's not funny.
If she look
Just 'cause she
out
might
the
hurt
window,
herself.
come on, man.
Might hurt herself. That's not funny, is it?
I can send it to you being framed. I might get £250 for it.
Yeah, it's quite nice though. Maybe she doesn't want to be filmed.
Yeah, I know.
I mean, I can't imagine she wants
Do
to
you
fall.
pluck your eyebrows?
No, sir, I don't.
Yes, you
Why
do.
are you asking me these things?
You do, man.
Were you
'Cause
like
they-
social media
they're quite-
famous and stuff like that? Are you?
They're quite neat.
Do you have like a YouTube account, all that good stuff? There's another guy that comes around who's got a YouTube account. Who, like, to film things.
Really? Here?
Yeah, he's been here before.
What's his name?
I know his name. He doesn't tell us. Doesn't have to. So, but As long as you can see from my point of view,
Yeah,
that,
sure.
imagine I was outside your house filming, you would ask, wouldn't you?
It's not your house.
No, but imagine I was, you would ask, wouldn't you?
Yeah, I can ask.
Exactly, like that's all I'm asking you as well.
I know, and I've answered you, didn't I? So I can't see why you're still angry. Not angry, like a bit annoyed by it.
I'm not annoyed by it, I'm just wondering. Out of curiosity, I'm allowed to ask questions.
Yeah, and I've answered you, didn't I? I'm just filming odd things.
Okay.
Like I said, I noticed that lady. She was on the table.
But
Is that like a birthday going on?
I don't know, I'm not in that office.
There's the police station, isn't there?
Yeah. Right, I'm going to advise you and say you probably shouldn't, or someone's going to come out and be like, oh, why are you doing it the exact same as me? They're going to be interested. So
Yeah, I'll tell
I'd
you.
advise you not to.
Again, more advice. Well, the more people that come out and ask, the more people that will be educated to the fact the filming in public isn't a crime, and if anything, it should be encouraged.
Not to. Obviously, I'm not going to stop you.
You know, that police officer, look,
I didn't realise that there was a passenger. I thought someone was nicking the car.
he eats healthy. We've never seen that before.
Just filming the police station, stuff like that. He's interested in my eyebrows.
You don't see
your lunch. He's
You
interested
don't see
in
many
the
officers
lady.
eating healthy. That's very good.
Okay, you're right, yeah?
Yeah, usually you see them like Big Macs
Famous,
and
do you?
donuts.
Where's this
like
go?
that.
YouTube?
But how
Or
do you explain
Snapchat?
the belly, my friend?
What
You
belly?
eat healthy? Oh, you're probably trying to lose it.
Very rude, isn't it?
This
So
is
rude.
body arm, I got no belly.
Where?
Jesus.
Did you ask, are you like famous on YouTube or Snapchat
I'm
or?
not famous, my friend.
Okay, you trying to be famous?
Listen, you came to me just talking, and I'm just talking back.
We're still just chatting.
Was it audit in Britain?
Busted. Nearly. I don't think they know that they know. 3 years ago, I think this was, and he was known then. If anyone really wants to be famous, they are a mug. Please discuss in the comments.
Is it that one?
No, it's a different guy. I know the guy you're talking about.
No, it's not
There's another
me.
guy who does it.
So what? Auditing Britain comes here a lot?
You've seen him once or twice. Yeah, he likes to chat with us. Why? Do you like one of his fans and trying to?
No, I mean I know him. I've seen him online. He's quite funny. So just we're following in his footsteps.
Are you?
Yeah. That's all.
Anyway, so.
But I don't think he's ever came here before.
Oh yeah, he has.
He has, yeah.
Yeah, he has.
Okay.
I have.
Yeah. Is there any reason why you parked, officer? What, double yellow on the pavement? It doesn't look good. Yeah, have a good day.
Anyway, I'll give you some nice advice. We've been nice to you, okay? So
Yeah.
advice,
He's being rude, isn't he, that one?
He's not. He's busy. He's a busy guy. He's got things to do.
But you shouldn't park like this. It doesn't really matter what you
Right,
say.
so I'm gonna go now.
Yeah, sure. Me
Please
too.
take my advice on board.
Yeah.
Enjoy
Which
the rest
advice
of
did you give me? I can't remember.
Say again?
What advice did you give me?
I said, please don't film the police station
Oh.
because it doesn't look good, okay?
It's a police station and it doesn't look good. He's right, it does look a bit shit to be fair. Could do with a lick of paint.
Yes. I'd be gone in a minute anyway. It doesn't matter. It's a police station.
Interaction, okay? And enjoy the rest of your
If
day.
you watch Auditing Britain, then you should know. It's a police station. We can come and film it. Just have a quick look around. And that's all it is.
To see the full interaction here, please see AB's original video. I've left a link in the description.
Enjoy your day. Nice guy. Have a nice film session, innit?
Thank you. How nice guy. Oh, what are you eating? It's just normal questions, guys. Don't panic. Sorry, can I ask what you had in your lunchbox? Just. You don't have to answer.
It could be argued that he wasn't in full control of this vehicle. What if it had jumped into gear? Just saying. Where did she come from? Did she come out the office to get a ride back to the office?
Take care, guys. Have a nice day. Forensics. Hey, what's forensics?
Huh?
What's forensics? Do you know?
It's the police.
Police.
Yeah.
Why are they parked like this? Do you know?
Oh yeah, this is wrong place.
You should go inside and complain. Tell him you can't park on single yellow. You gonna tell him?
I can't tell you, mate. It's not my job, mate.
Of course you can tell them. It's your job.
It's the police, mate. I'm not a...
You're the public. You're the boss.
People me that those are policemen. They can park anywhere, you know.
No! Who told you that? Listen, you are the boss.
Yeah.
They cannot park anywhere they want. You can go inside and tell them off.
Is this the normal public perception? That the police can do whatever they want? Maybe it is, and maybe that's the problem. The great mystery of British policing. Why do our bobbies think they're playing real-life Monopoly, complete with a Park Anywhere card? Slap some blue lights on, and suddenly double yellows become mere decorations. But do the public buy it? Mostly, we just roll our eyes and carry on. So that's it. Time up again. Please feel free to abuse me as usual in the comments. Until next time, take it easy, and always do what you are told. So please like and subscribe. See you next time.